Short video introduce about highlight features of Adamant Custom third modeling SolidWorks CAD Workstation desktop computer, to acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Following, we will suggest featured consisting of CPU 8-core Intel Core i7-9700K 3.6 GHz Intel Z390 chipset series motherboard. RAM 32GB DDR4 high-performance memory HDD 4TB storage drive Intel M.2 1TB NVMe PCI-Express SSD. GPU PCI Quadro P2200 5GB 4-channel DisplayPorts PSU Thermaltake Smart 600W 80+ Gold. Operation System Windows 10 Pro 64-bit DVD 24x Asus plus RW Wi-Fi wireless and PCI-X adapter. Assembled and tested. 3 years parts labor warranty free lifetime tech support 1-2 business day shipping.